Still doing it all yourself in 2026? Too much admin, leads going cold, content burnout, everything stuck in your head, client care slipping, working around the clock, nights, weekends, zero time off. If you nodded yes to any of that, you need an AI team. I'd like to invite you to join me at the AI Advantage, a hands-on, high-energy workshop where you build 6 working AI agents live at your table in just 2 days. Iris finds your market intel. Pulse writes outreach that gets replies. Beacon turns one idea into a week of content. Sync ends the back and forth booking calls. Compass keeps every client cared for. Oracle clears your inbox and chases your invoices. 6 agents built over 2 days, ready to use Monday morning. I'm David Cheong. For the last 15 years, I've trained thousands of solopreneurs, and I'll be your facilitator for this workshop in Singapore. Bring your laptop. I'll show you how to build all 6 live. Don't come alone. The best ideas in the room come from the people next to you. Join me on July 27th and 28th at Kairos Space YMCA Singapore. 2 full days of live building from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. breakfast and teas included. This workshop is usually $398. Right now, it's just $98, but not for long. Prices are adjusting very soon. Seats are limited and enrollment closes July 26th. Grab yours at 22destiny/enroll before it goes up. But more importantly, time is of the essence. My hope is to help you reclaim 3 hours every day so you can pour that time into higher value work or simply spend it with your family. This is David Cheong. See you in class.